got all our gear. We're ready to see what we can do.
Honestly, we don't know exactly what we're going to be doing out there, but we're prepared to take anything on.
Most of us are all sawyers, so we are expecting to do a lot of tree removal. Other than that, it's going to be gutting and mucking houses, I think.
A lot of hard work, a lot of long hours, a lot of contributing to the community that we're working in and helping put people back on their feet for the holidays.
This is going to be a complete brand new experience.
It's such a positive experience to be able to, be the ones who are actually making a difference. We're really looking forward to getting the opportunity to travel and give back like that.
That's exactly what makes it all worthwhile, is knowing that we're going out there and actually helping a community that can't help themselves at the moment because they're lost by devastation. So if you have the skills and you have the willpower to go out and go do the work, why not? Why not go out and make a difference?